A very warm good evening to all my dear students. This is Divya Chandwani and I welcome you all on Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE. So kids, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, quickly subscribe to it now because this is the best channel if you want to prepare for your 9th or your 10th board exams. Okay, so this is my introduction. Most of you already know me. My name is Divya. I have done my BTech in electrical engineering. I have more than 2 years of teaching experience. I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board exams, and I'm a faculty in Kota, Rajasthan. So, kids, as you all know, today is day 3 of our wonderful series, and it's revision series of First Flight, and today is day 3. So, 2 days back, we have covered A Letter to God, then we have covered Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, and today, as it is day 3, we are going to do two stories about flying, part 1. Okay, तो आज हम पार्ट 1 पढ़ेंगे बच्चों. इसके दो चैप्टर्स हैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट. टू स्टोरीज अबाउट फ्लाइंग का एक पार्ट 1 है, एक पार्ट 2 है. सो पार्ट 1 आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू इन दिस वीडियो एंड पार्ट 2 इन टुमारोज वीडियो. चलिए, सो आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चों. सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द चैप्टर, I would like to tell you some benefits that you all can easily get when you will subscribe to an academy. First benefit is daily live classes. So in case if you are fed up of recorded lectures, then you should go for daily live classes. Second है live tests and quizzes. Third is structured courses. That means if you want to prepare for any Olympiad, any exam, you will get a structured course for it. If you want to prepare for NTSC, RMO, or if you want to prepare for any other Olympiad, you will get a structured course for it. Next is बच्चों unlimited access. That means you will have access to all the educators teaching on this platform. आपके पास सारे educators का access रहेगा. Plus you will get PDF notes also. And बहुत सारे बच्चे ये पूछते हैं मैम what about our doubts? ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में तो हमने ऐसा सुना है कि डाउट सॉल्व नहीं होंगे. नहीं बच्चों, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो ये जितने भी हमारे एजुकेटर्स हैं जो प्लस पे पढ़ा रहे हैं आप लोगों को, इनके 3 लेक्चर्स नॉर्मल लेक्चर्स होंगे जिसमें आपको पढ़ाएंगे, and fourth lecture of every educator will be a dedicated doubt session, so you don't need to worry about your doubts. All your doubts will be solved uh, with their help. Okay, so now kids, आपको करना क्या है, सिर्फ just download the Unacademy learning app, choose the goal that is CBSE class 10 and click on the get subscription button. It's that easy. So if you want to join our official channel of Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE on Telegram, तो आपको क्या करना है, just download the Telegram app, type the link in URL and click on join. 3 simple steps में you can join us on Telegram also. ये लिंक अगर आप नहीं कॉपी करना चाहते हैं, नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो आप टेलीग्राम पे सर्च भी कर सकते हैं क्वेस्ट 10 CBSE के नाम से. आपको हमारा लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE का चैनल मिल जाएगा. ओके, चलिए. सो नाउ कम्स द सब्सक्रिप्शन पार्ट. बच्चों ये आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, एंड दिस इज द प्लान इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. काइंडली गो फॉर 12 months, 24 months or 36 months, and I have one important announcement for all of you. शायद आप इसके बारे में जानते हो या शायद आप नहीं जानते हो. I'll tell you. Kids, for example, if you are in 10th standard and if your siblings, your brother, sister, any of your cousins is in 6th, 7th और 8th class, तो अब Unacademy अपना जो प्लान है वो 6th, 7th, 8th के लिए भी ले आया है. So now Unacademy, all the courses are a blessing for you. How? That means if you will go for only one subscription, तो भी आप 2 क्लासेस की पढ़ाई कर सकते हैं. That means अगर आप 10th में हैं, आपके भाई बहन कोई 6th, 7th या 8th में है, तो बच्चों आप सिर्फ एक सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लीजिए 12 months का. उससे आप दोनों कोर्सेज को एक्सेस कर पाएंगे. 10th के कोर्स को भी एक्सेस कर पाएंगे और 6th, 7th, 8th के कोर्स को भी एक्सेस कर पाएंगे. तो काम सिर्फ एक बार देना है, लेकिन काम 2 बार कर सकते हैं. राइट? तो दैट मीन्स आपको पे सिर्फ एक बार करना है, 15,000 rupees. Do not forget to use my code Divya10. Divya10 is my awesome referral code. Apply this code and get an instant discount of 10%. 15,000 की जगह आपको सिर्फ पे करने होंगे 13,500 rupees. So yes kids, 13,500 rupees में you can access all the courses from क्लास 6 टू क्लास 12, सीबीएसई क्लास 6 टू सीबीएसई क्लास 12 के बीच में जितने भी क्लासेस है, जो भी कोर्सेज है, आप सबको एक्सेस कर पाओगे. दैट मीन्स वन सब्सक्रिप्शन एंड आपका काम हो जाएगा. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गो फॉर 2 years, then you don't have to pay even 25,000 rupees. Just apply my code Divya10 and just pay 22,500 rupees. And if you will go for 36 months, you just need to pay 28,800 rupees. All this will happen by applying this awesome referral code Divya10. Okay, chaliye kids. So now without any further delay, let's quickly start our session. And let's start two stories about flying. Part 1. Chaliye. So as the picture itself depicts the story, that means the story is all about a seagull. Okay, seagull कैसी है, ये bird होती है. You all can see it in the picture, so I hope it will be clear to all of you. चलिए, so let's start. So now, obviously, before starting the chapter, I would like to introduce you with the author of this chapter. So we all know the pronunciations are really, really difficult of your authors, but I will try to teach you. It's Liam O'Flaherty. Okay, so he is the author of your chapter Two Stories About Flying. So इनका नाम क्या है? Liam O'Flaherty. Okay, so he was born on 28th August 1896 and he died on 7 September 1984. He was a major Irish novelist and he was really famous as a short story writer, and he must be ranked as one of the foremost socialist writers in the first part of the 20th century. तो ये बच्चों socialist writers की तरह भी famous हुए हैं, and writing about the common people's experience. Sorry. तो ये और किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? ये सोशलिस्ट राइटर की तरह फेमस हुए थे, एंड ही इज रियली फेमस अबाउट द कॉमन पीपल्स एक्सपीरियंस फ्रॉम देयर पर्सपेक्टिव. तो कॉमन लोगों का क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है, क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अपनी जिंदगी में, ये उसको लिखने के लिए भी बहुत ज्यादा फेमस है. हु? लियाम ओ फ्लैरिटी. ओके, चलो. तो ज्यादा आपको ऑथर के बारे में याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, नेम वुड बी सफिशिएंट. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर. ओके, तो बहुत सारे बच्चे आप में से ऐसे होंगे जो फर्स्ट टाइम इस चैप्टर को जानने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो आई विल डेफिनेटली ट्राई माय लेवल बेस्ट टू एक्सप्लेन यू. सो किड्स, दिस स्टोरी इज ऑल अबाउट a family of a young seagull. You all can see the birds flying. Okay, so these are the siblings, and it is, you can say, father or mother of the seagulls. Okay, so now let's start with the story. The story is all about a family of seagulls. Okay, अब family में कौन कौन है बच्चों? Do you have any idea? Please let me know in the live chat who all were there in the family. So kids, there were 6 members in the family of seagulls. ठीक है, कौन कौन थे? जो एक हमारा young seagull था, उसके 2 brothers थे and एक sister थी. Okay, 3 हो गए. Fourth was him. He was the youngest seagull, and his father and his mother. So there were total 6 members in his family: 2 brothers, 1 sister, one himself, and 1 father and 1 mother. Okay, so there were total 6 members in his family of seagulls. Okay, there was a young child in the family who was unable to fly. Okay, so now this young seagull, who's the youngest one, he tried to fly a lot, but he was really scared. He had this fear that, if he'll try to fly from this ledge, वो यहाँ से नीचे गिर जाएगा and he will die. So he had that fear in his mind. So, that all the members were really busy in flying. They all were enjoying their quality time. But the young seagull was all alone on his ledge, as you all can see in the picture. Okay, so now that there was a young child in the family, who was unable to fly even after several tries. The story highlights the importance of family and friends in one's life. Okay, it will also give us the message that one needs to believe in self to overcome the hurdles of one's life. ये तो बच्चों हमारा ये मैसेज हमें मिलने वाला है, मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में ही बता दिया. So let's start the chapter now. क्योंकि उनके परिवार में 6 मेंबर्स थे, ऑल ऑफ देम, सबको उड़ना आता था एक्सेप्ट द यंगेस्ट सन। एवरीवन वाज एक्सपर्ट इन फ्लाइंग हाई। और जो ये यंग सीगल था, उसके जो भाई बहन थे वो भी आराम से उड़ पाते थे। ओके, बट व्हेन दिस यंग सीगल वांटेड टू फ्लाई, ही कुड नॉट डू सो। वो बहुत चाहता था कि वो फ्लाई करे, उड़े, बट वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली उड़ नहीं पाता था because he was very much afraid of flying. Okay, therefore he failed to gather up the courage to fly. Okay, तो उसे इतना डर लगता था, he always had that fear in his mind that I won't be able to fly. So वो कभी उतना करेज, उतनी हिम्मत इकट्ठी ही नहीं कर पाता था, and therefore he always used to fly. He always used to fail in terms of flying. Okay, he was really very sad. His father and mother came near him. Okay. So now what his parents did? His parents had tried several times to teach him how to fly, but he is so scared that he could not gather up the courage to fly. Okay. अब बच्चों उसे डर किस चीज का लगता था, वो उसे बहुत बार टेम्प्ट करने की कोशिश करते थे कि हम तुम्हें खाना नहीं देंगे, बहुत सारी चीजें उसे बोलते थे जिससे कि वो जो है उड़ना स्टार्ट कर दे। तो द यंगेस्ट सी गर्ल ही रिलाइज ऑन द फूड दैट हिज पेरेंट्स ब्रिंग बैक फ्रॉम देयर फ्लाइट्स। सो नाउ तो ये हमारा जो यंग सीगल है, ये किस पे डिपेंडेंट था? ही वॉज डिपेंडेंट ऑन हिज पेरेंट्स कि जब वो अपनी फ्लाइट से, अपनी उड़ान से लौटेंगे, तब they will bring something for me to eat, so he has to wait patiently for his parents to return. उसे अपने पेरेंट्स के वापस आने का इंतजार करना पड़ता था। ओके, the youngest son is afraid of flying as he thinks that if he flies, his wings would not support him. तो उसे करेज क्यों नहीं मिलता था बच्चों? क्योंकि उसे ऐसा लगता था कि my wings will not support me and um, I will fall down in the sea. यहाँ पे क्या था बच्चों? नीचे sea था, and I will fall in this sea and I will die. So even his parents have rebuked him. They even threatened him if he doesn't fly, he would die of hunger. Okay, अब वो उसे क्या क्या धमकियां देने लगे थे? They have started threatening him. Right? We can think that it is wrong, but to teach your kids, sometimes it is really important to make them tough. तो बच्चों वो पेरेंट्स भी यही कर रहे थे. What they did, they started rebuking him. That means they started criticizing him. Why they were criticizing him? We all know the reason. They were criticizing him because they wanted him to learn how to fly. Okay. Oh my God, what I have written, I don't know. तो अब वो क्या कर रहे थे बच्चों? क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे थे उसको. Why they were criticizing him? They were criticizing him because they wanted him to learn this lesson, that how he can fly. क्रिटिसिज्म बोल लो, क्रिटिसाइजिंग बोल लो, ठीक है. आई गेस मैंने शायद यहाँ पे एम लगा दिया है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली गलती से हो गया. आई रिमूव दैट. ओके, दे वर क्रिटिसाइजिंग हिम. ओके, तो वो से क्या थ्रेटन करने लगे थे बच्चों? दे थ्रेटेंड दैट इफ ही डिड नॉट फ्लाई, ही वुड डाई ऑफ हंगर देयर. और उसने क्या बोला कि अगर उसके पेरेंट्स ने बोला कि तुम इस लेज से नीचे नहीं आए जहां पे तुम अटके हुए हो, और तुम्हें डर लगता है कि इफ आई विल फ्लाई आई विल फॉल इन दिस सी एंड आई विल डाई. तो वो उन्हें उसे धमकी देने लग गए कि इफ यू विल नॉट स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम दिस ledge, if you will not start flying, then you would die of hunger there. हम तुम्हें अब खाना लाकर नहीं देने वाले हैं. Unfortunately, you have to die because of hunger. But still, he could not even move. But तभी भी वो इतना डरा हुआ था that he could not even move. Okay. Now let's see the story. Yes, so that was almost 24 hours ago. Since then, no one had come near him. Almost बच्चों 24 hours बीत चुके थे, लेकिन सीगल की फैमिली से ना ही उसके पेरेंट्स, ना ही उसके भाई बहन में से कोई उसके पास आया था. He had watched his parents, brothers, sister फ्लाइंग, और वो जो लेज पे जहाँ पे वो अटका हुआ था, जहां से वो फ्लाई नहीं कर पाता था, वहां पे वो क्या देख रहा था, ये आपको दिख रहा होगा पहाड़ का लेज जो है, यहाँ पे ही was stuck and there he saw his family diving and catching fish. You can see in the picture. So his parents had been perfecting his brothers and sister how to dive for fish on their own. तो वो जो उसके यंग सीगल के जो पेरेंट्स थे, वो क्या सिखा रहे थे अपने छोटे बच्चों को, ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर को, यंग सीगल के, हाउ टू डाइव इन, पानी में कैसे डुबकी लगानी है, कैसे कूद के जाना है, यहाँ से डाइव लगानी है लेज पे से, कैसे पानी में जाना है, और कैसे फिश कैच करनी है, दैट they both were teaching their kids. Okay, so now the young seagull did not have any choice, as he didn't know how to fly, so he had no other option. He had to observe them. और वो सिर्फ लेज पे से अपने भाई बहनों को एंजॉय करते हुए देख रहा था. उसे इतनी भूख लग रही थी, बट स्टिल ही कांट डू एनीथिंग, और वो सिर्फ उन्हें फिश के लिए डाइव करता हुआ और फिश को खाता हुआ देख रहा था. They called him to fly. उसके ब्रदर सिस्टर ने उसे बुलाया, ब्रदर सिस्टर्स ने, to fly, but he could not. But फिर भी उस वो इतना करेज इकट्ठा नहीं कर पाया, and he could not fly. Okay. Clear, kids? Shall. Let's see now what happened. Now heat started increasing. Okay, the sun was rising in the sky. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. और उसने पिछली रात से कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. He was really hungry. Obviously the sun was rising. Okay, लेकिन उसको जो sun की heat थी वो कुछ ज्यादा ही महसूस हो रही थी. Because you know when you are hungry or when you are ill, everything seems to affect us. So similarly, you know, the scorching heat was affecting our seagull, the young seagull, because he hasn't eaten. He had not eaten since the previous nightfall. क्योंकि उसने उसको almost एक दिन होने वाला था, तब से उसने कुछ भी नहीं खाया था. Okay. Mother reaches near him with food. Now, those who have read the chapter, quickly let me know in the live chat. Do you really think that mother approached him with food? Did she want to teach him any lesson, or did she really give him the food? So, what was the actual reason why she offered food to the young seagull? Let me know in the live chat. Okay. The seagull closed his eyes, standing on one leg. So now what the young seagull did, he was on the ledge, and what he did, suppose this is the seagull, उसने क्या करा बच्चों, एक पैर तो अपना पीछे कहीं छुपा लिया. So you know what he pretended he closed his eyes, and he pretended that he was standing on one leg. He had the other leg hidden under his wing. उसने अपने पंखों के पीछे दूसरे वाले पैर को छुपा लिया था, और उसकी मदर को लगा that he was standing only on one leg. Okay, let me try to draw it again so you all can see it properly. Suppose this was the young seagull. उसकी मदर को लगा that he is standing only on one leg, और दूसरा पैर जो उसने था, उसने अपने पंख के नीचे, अपने विंग के नीचे छुपा लिया था. And what he did, he pretended to sleep. How? Why he was doing all these things? ताकि उसकी मदर को लगे, you know, I am so hungry, I am falling asleep, you know, I'm feeling unconscious. तो इसलिए वो ये सब एक्टिंग करने लग गया. उसने अपनी आंख बंद कर ली, पैर छुपा लिया, and then he pretended to sleep. But his parents did not look at him. However, his mother was looking at him. But उसके father थे या जो भी भाई बहन थे, उन्होंने उसकी तरफ नहीं देखा. But his mother was looking at him. Okay, because हम सबको पता है माँ तो माँ होती है, right? So he saw her tear at a piece of fish at her feet. He gave out a sound to get it. His mother replied in a sound and looked at him. So now what it means, बच्चों हुआ क्या था? Basically, just give me a minute. He saw her tear at a piece of fish at her feet. अब उसकी मदर के पैरों में क्या था? Piece of fish था. And the young seagull could uh, see his mother crying. उसको दिख रहा था कि मेरी मम्मा के जो है आंसू आ रहे हैं. He gave out a sound to get it. His mother replied in a sound and looked at him. अब देखते हैं कि क्या वाकई में उसने उसको खाना दिया था कि नहीं दिया था. Let's see that and why she was doing all these things. Okay. Now his mother picked a piece of the fish. She flew across to him with it. वो एक piece जो है अपनी पीठ चोंच में या फिर पैरों में फंसाकर लेकर गई. She flew across to him with it. वो उसके पास गई उसको देने के लिए. He leaned out और he leaned out as in वो ऐसे झुकने लगा because he was really hungry. He wanted to eat the fish. So he leaned. That means थोड़ा सा वो झुका. Tapping the rock with his feet. Tapping means थोड़ा सा पैर से मारना. That is known as tapping. His mother flew across trying to get nearer to him. उसकी मदर आप देख सकते होंगे ये ऑलमोस्ट एज पे आ चुका है. जो यंग सीगल है बच्चों, तो उसकी मदर थी वो उसके पास क्यों जा रही थी? Just to tempt him. And she had really good intentions. वो चाहती थी कि मैं उसे जाकर टेम्प्ट करूं खाने के लिए, जिससे इसे भूख लगे और वो उड़ना स्टार्ट कर दे. So his mother flew across trying to get nearer to him. वो जानबूझ के बार बार उसके पास जा रही थी. The sight of food made him mad as he was hungry, but he could not get at it. Now, obviously, he was so hungry. He badly wanted to eat the fish, but he could not do anything. He could not fly from this ledge. आप देख सकते हैं पिक्चर में कि वो बिल्कुल एज तक आ चुका है और यही उसकी मदर जो है वो कोशिश कर भी रही थी सीगल की, but again unfortunately she did not succeed because because a child did not have the courage to fly. He was really afraid that his wings are not going to support him and he will fall and he will die in the sea. Okay? Okay, kids, is it clear यहाँ तक सबको? चलो. Dives for food. Okay, so now what the young seagull did, let's see that. The seagull waited a moment in surprise. He wondered why his mother did not come nearer. उसे पहले समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि he was really surprised कि मेरी मदर ऐसा क्यों कर रही है. Usually she used to give me food, but today why she is tempting me so much, why she is not giving me food. He was so mad with hunger that he dived at the fish. So finally he dived at the fish. यहाँ पे तो वो अभी एज पर आकर रुक गया था, but as he was so hungry that he dived at the fish that was with his mother. He fell outwards with a scream and downwards into space. Okay, so obviously first he fell outwards. वो गिरा बिल्कुल बाहर की तरफ, and with a scream he started shouting because he was really afraid. And फिर वो बिल्कुल downwards जाने लग गया sea की तरफ. His mother had swooped upwards. As he passed beneath her, he heard the swish of her wings. Okay, so now what it means, kids? Okay, I'll tell you that. His mother had swooped upwards. Swooped का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? To rapidly move. जो especially जो wings move करते हैं ना birds के with the help of air, so that is known as to move rapidly through the air with the help of air is known as swooped. Okay. तो क्या हुआ बच्चों? अब एक्चुअली व्हेन ही स्टार्टेड फॉलिंग डाउन, ऑब्वियसली उसकी मदर वरिड थी. हिज मदर हैड सूप्ड अपवर्ड्स. वो ऊपर उड़कर आ गई कि अपने बच्चे को देखने के लिए वो ठीक तो है ना, वो उड़ पा रहा है कि नहीं, उसके विंग्स सच में सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कि नहीं, बिकॉज शी वाज रियली scared for his son. Okay, as he passed beneath her, he heard the swish of her wings. और जैसे ही उसकी मदर उसके पास हुई, पास से जब निकली, he heard the swish of her wings. He heard the swish मतलब he could hear the hissing or rushing sound of her wings. Obviously वो भी अपने wings जो है वो फड़फड़ा रही होंगी, उनको चला रही होंगी, तो एक जो रशिंग साउंड था वो प्रोड्यूस हो रहा था. जब उसकी मदर उसके पास से गुजरी तो उसे भी रशिंग साउंड फील हुआ अपनी मदर के विंग्स का. ओके. So now the flight begins. Then a great fear caught him. अब obviously seagull की जो flight थी वो चालू तो हो चुकी थी because he has fallen from that ledge जहाँ पर वो starting से अटका हुआ था. His heart stood still. He could hear nothing, but it only lasted a moment. ठीक है, उसका जो हार्ट था वो बिल्कुल स्टिल हो चुका था, उसे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था कुछ देर के लिए, बट इट ओनली लास्टेड फॉर अ मोमेंट. नेक्स्ट मोमेंट he felt his wings. He spread them outwards. Obviously kids, we all know, after all, he was a bird, right? So obviously उसे ऐसे लगता था कि मेरे wings support नहीं करेंगे, but it was genetically present. It was there in his genes. तो उसके विंग्स ने obviously उसको support किया. He just spreaded them outwards. He felt the wind rushed against his breast feathers. That means उसे ऐसा फील हुआ कि जो विंग्स है, सॉरी जो एयर है वो उसके अंदर से रश करते हुए जा रही है. उसको फील हुआ, he could feel the wind. Then it rushed from the breast feathers to his stomach part. Okay, and against his wings. तो यहाँ से आ रही थी and it was going like this. Okay. सपोज सामने से एयर आ रही है तो इट कुड गो लाइक दिस. ओके. He was soaring slowly downwards and upwards. He was no longer afraid. So can you all see, he was so scared in the starting that he could not even think of flying because he thought he would die. But now he was not at all afraid. Okay. And he was soaring slowly downwards and upwards. So what it means? Soaring slowly downwards and upwards का मतलब क्या है? Flying or rising high. So that means he was flying. कभी वो नीचे फ्लाई करते हुए जा रहे थे, कभी वो डाउनवर्ड्स जा रहा था, फिर कभी वो अपवर्ड्स जा रहा था फ्लाई करने के लिए, बिकॉज नाउ ही वाज एंजॉयिंग हिज फर्स्ट फ्लाइट because he was no longer afraid, and now he could fly on his own. Now he could do things on his own. Now it was time to explore the world for the seagull. Okay. Joy of flight. Okay, now let's see how it was a joy of flight. The seagull gave out a joyous scream. So earlier he was scared, तो वो बहुत तेज डर के मारे चिल्ला रहा था. But now the young seagull gave a joyous scream. That means जो खुशी वाली चीख होती है वो. He soared higher, calling ga 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 ga. That means he flied higher. Soar का मतलब क्या होता है? To fly. So he flied higher and he was calling ga 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 ga. That means he was singing that song because he was really happy. His mother gave out Gokhola. That means they all were singing different songs because they all were so happy. Songs तो क्या? It was their joyous scream. तो इनकी scream को describe करा है हमारे author Liam O'Flaherty ने. And he was singing ga 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 ga, and then his father flew over him screaming. फिर उसके पापा उसके ऊपर से उड़ते हुए गए. So the entire family was enjoying their quality time. Then he saw his brothers and sister flying around him. उसे क्या देखने को मिला बच्चों? What he saw that the young seagull was flying and उसकी जो family थी, उसके जो भाई बहन थे, वो उसके चारों तरफ जो है घूम रहे थे because they all were really happy. They were roaring, they were screaming, and they were diving and catching fish. Okay, diving and catching fish, डुबकी मार के fish पकड़ रहे थे. Okay. Now, how was the scene all around the seagull? Then he completely forgot that he had not always been able to fly. अब जो वो अपना इतना बड़ा fear था वो उसके बारे में बिल्कुल सब कुछ भूल चुका था. He commended himself to dive and soar, and now he was near the sea, flying straight over it. अब वो क्या कर रहा था बच्चों? सी के ऊपर से आराम से उड़ रहा था. जो उसका fear था उसे वो भूल भी चुका था कि यार एक टाइम अभी कुछ मिनट पहले तक मुझे उड़ना नहीं आता था. ओके. He commended himself to dive and soar. What is the meaning of commended? To praise. So he praised हिमसेल्फ कि यार मैं कितने अच्छे से उड़ पा रहा हूँ, आई एम एबल टू डाइव, आई एम एबल टू डू दिस, आई एम एबल टू डू दैट. तो ही वॉज रियली प्राउड ऑफ हिमसेल्फ, वो अपने आप को प्रेस कर रहा था. एंड देन व्हाट he saw a vast green sea beneath him. उसने अपने नीचे क्या देखा? एक vast green sea देखा. Okay, his parents and his brothers and sister had landed on this green surface of water ahead of him. अब उसके सामने आ चुका था वो सी, क्योंकि वो भी ऑलमोस्ट नीचे चला गया था. एंड नाउ उसने क्या देखा कि जो उसके ब्रदर्स हैं, सिस्टर हैं और जो पेरेंट्स हैं, वो जो ये सी है, ठीक है. I shouldn't have drawn C like this. Suppose this was the C, and जो भी उसकी फैमिली मेंबर्स थे बाकी लोग, वो आराम से, obviously they were birds, तो वो आराम से इस पे जो है लैंड कर पा रहे थे. अब I don't know how to draw a bird for all of you. I'm trying to draw a duck. sort of. चलो. So बाकी लोग तो क्या कर रहे थे? आराम से लैंड कर पा रहे थे. That means वो फ्लोट कर पा रहे थे पानी पे. Now it was his turn to do it. They were calling him to do the same. उसके जो भाई बहन थे, जो पेरेंट्स थे, वो यंग सीगल को भी बुला रहे थे that come, you will also float on water easily because we are born like that. Okay. So now finally the young seagull lands on the surface of water. So let's see, did he was he able to do it, or did he sink in? So what happened? Let's see. Let's check out that. Okay. So he dropped his legs to stand on the green sea. तो वो ग्रीन सी पे स्टार्ट कोशिश कर रहा था अपने पैरों से खड़े होने की, but his legs sank into it. So as you can see, we are not able to see seagull's legs. So he cried with fear. Then he started crying because he was really scared because he was doing it for the very first time. And then he tried to rise again, flapping his wings. वो बहुत डर गया था. And then he again started to spread his wings, and then he started to flap it. Okay, but he was tired and weak with hunger. अब obviously वो पूरे टाइम तो उड़ नहीं सकता था. Okay, we understand that it was his first flight, but he was so hungry as he hadn't eaten anything, so he could not fly now. So he was extremely hungry. He was really weak with because of hunger. So he could not rise. His feet sank into the green sea. उसके जो पैर थे वो पूरे डूब चुके थे उसमें पानी में. His belly touched it. You all can see that his belly is touching the water. He sank no further. और अब वो डूब नहीं रहा था. He can easily float on the on water, as you can see in this picture. Okay, he was floating on it. Around him was his family crying and praising him. So now everyone was super happy in his family. His parents started crying because it was for the very first time that he was able to float in water. So they were praising him. उनको बहुत खुशी हुई. So वो उसको सराहना कर रहे थे उसकी. They were crying also because it was an emotional moment for the family. So they were offering him scraps of dogfish. Scraps क्या होते हैं? टुकड़े. तो वो dogfish के जो scraps हैं वो young seagull को offer कर रहे थे because they all were so happy that they all will be able to fly now. Okay, so that's how he made his first flight successful. He was successful in making his he successfully did his first flight. Okay, तो बच्चों उसका जो डर था वो कैसा निकला? When the young seagull begins to fall in the sea, he thought that he would die because of drowning. So he spreaded his wings outwards, and then he um, begins to fly, and that's how all his fear of flying was gone. Okay, clear? So we are done with it. Okay, so we are done with our chapter. So now what's the moral? What's the moral of the story? What's the message that we have got? First is the importance of family. Family is really, really important. Sometimes, as a student, we think that our parents or our teachers are being rude to us, or they are quite strict. But I think kids, it is for your benefit only, because you all can see in this chapter, young Seagull's mother was threatening him, was trying to tempt him, but you all can see at the end it was all for his बेनिफिट, क्योंकि वो चाहती थी कि यार मेरे अगर भाई बाकी बच्चे उड़ पा रहे हैं तो the young seagull should also fly and he should be able to dive and catch fish for himself. That was her motive. So let's try to understand importance of family. So I am a grown up person, so I know family is really important for all of us. So if your parents or your teachers are scolding you kids, please don't get disheartened, because I think it's for your benefit only. But maybe you won't be able to understand it right now because you're too young for it. But when you will be of my age, or when you will be in your college, then you will understand that it was all for your benefit. So this was just something I wanted to tell you. And the important message that we have, the moral that we have got from the story is that one needs to believe in oneself. One needs to believe in oneself. One needs to believe in oneself to overcome all the hurdles. Okay, to overcome all the hurdles of own life. Okay, so what it means that you should be your own hero. Okay, nobody will come and they will help you. They can help you in your life, but ultimately you are the one who has to do it. You are the one who has to overcome all your fears, and you have to work hard for your own self. People can guide you, people can help you, but ultimately you are the one who has to do it. So his mother tried her level best to help the young seagull, but ultimately who had to fly? We all know the answer. It was the young seagull who had to fly. Okay, so thank you so much kids. I hope you like this video. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. So please quickly like this video. जल्दी से इस वीडियो को like कर दो. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, quickly subscribe to Let's Crack 9th and 10th CBSE, because this is an awesome channel if you want to prepare for 9th or your 10th board exams. ओके, सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइज. अगर आप मुझे अन अकेडमी ऐप पर भी ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो क्विकली डाउनलोड दी अन अकेडमी लर्निंग ऐप, सर्च माई नेम, दैट इज दिव्या चांदवानी, and please start following me so you can get notification about my special classes also. Today also we will have a class at around I guess 8:15 p.m. Today we have a grammar quiz, so if you want to join me, please do join me in my special class. वैसे usually daily at 9:30 p.m. I have special classes, so do join me there also for some interesting quizzes. Okay, so thank you so much, my lovely kids. Please stay home, stay safe. That's the most important thing right now. And do not forget to purchase an Academy's awesome subscription by using this referral code Divya10. So apply this code and you will get an instant discount of 10%. So thank you so much. Like the video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more notifications. So bye bye kids. See you all tomorrow. Bye. And in the quiz also. Bye bye.